Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through the process of easily downloading games on your Windows computer or laptop using a new emulator software. Step 1. Download the emulator software. First, scroll down to the description or comments section of this video. You'll find the download link for the emulator software there. Click on the link to access the website. On the website, look for the Download button and click it. Step 2. Install the emulator software. After the installation file is downloaded, you'll see an arrow icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, as shown in the video. Click on that arrow icon and select the emulator software file you just downloaded. Choose Install to begin the installation process. The installation is quite fast, but it may depend on your computer specifications. It should take about 2 to 5 minutes to complete. Step 3. Log in to your Google account. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to use a Google account or Gmail to log in. This step is necessary to download games from the Google Play Store. Step 4. Download games from Google Play. Open Google Play on the emulator software. Type the name of the game you want to download in the search bar and press Enter. Select the game you wish to download. Click the Install button to start downloading the game. Step 5. Play the game. After the download is complete, you'll see a Play or Open button. Click that button to open the game and start playing. Important notes. If you experience any lag or errors while playing, keep the emulator open for 30 to 60 minutes during the first 3 days. This allows the software's system to automatically optimize, helping you play games more smoothly with fewer errors. Make sure your computer meets the minimum requirements to play games. It's recommended to use Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11 with at least 8 GB of RAM and 30 GB of storage space. If you encounter any issues during the download and installation process, please review the instructions or contact the emulator software support team. Now, please watch my detailed guide on downloading games and applications. I hope you successfully download your games and enjoy your entertainment time.